Hi, this is the letter E, and the short E is A. This is our friend Edna the elephant, and Edna elephant begins with that letter E, and she makes the short sound, E. Edna and E, elephant. Let's read and sing this song together. My turn first, and I actually want you to make sure you do it. My son likes when I sing them. Instead of read them, I'm going to read it first, and then I will sing it. Edna elephant, and we use the tune I'm a Little Teapot. I am Edna elephant. Do you hear the eh at the beginning of Edna and elephant? I am Edna elephant. Watch me play. I walk with Ed elk every day. When we sit beneath a big elm tree, we will have some eggs and tea. Now we're going to sing it. I want you to sing it after I do or with me. I am Edna elephant, watch me play. I play with Ed elk every day. When we sit beneath a big elm tree, we will have some eggs and tea. Did you see the words or hear the words that began with the sound eh? Okay, let's go through and find those. Edna, elephant, Edna elephant again, Ed, elk, every, elm, and eggs. Now again, here's Edna elephant reminding you that E makes the short sound of eh, and it's the short sound of it is eh. Let's try to read these words. Let's say the sounds in this word. Egg, egg. And now let's read the word. Egg, egg. When you read the word egg and there's two G's, we just make one sound for those two G's. We don't say egg, it's egg. Let's try to read this next word by saying the sound that each letter makes and then blending it together. End. That word is end. Like here is the beginning of a ruler. Here is the end of the ruler. Let's try reading the next word also. Elf. An elf is a little tiny helper of Santa's. So let's read these words again. Egg, end, and elf. Now, I am going to show you how to write the E. Can you see? Here is my board, and I'm going to show you how we write the capital E. Here's the skyline, plane line, grass line. We go skyline to grass line, straight line down. Pick your pencil up, fly across the skyline, fly across the plane line, fly across the grass line. E, Edna, F. It's very shiny, sorry. And here's our lowercase e. Are you ready? You put your pencil in between the plane line and the grass line, and you fly across a little bit, just a straight line across. You curve up, touch the plane line, and curve back down to touch the grass line, and there you have the lowercase e. E, Ed, F. That's a little tricky. So let's practice together if you can get a piece of paper. Capital E, straight line down, straight line across, straight line across, straight line across. We always go from top to bottom. We don't go bottom to top because that we always call bottom writers. No, we don't want to be a bottom writer. And then this takes practice. In between the plane line and the grass line, fly across, curve up, and curve down. You're almost making a C and then connecting it. So it does technically do that, but the way we properly write it is we fly across, curve up, and curve down. Okay? I would love to see some of your E's and some of your nice, neat handwriting. I don't care what kind of paper it is on. Whatever you have at home is just fine. I do think that we gave you some handwriting practice sheets, so if you can use those, it would be super duper. Have a great time with the letter E.